Welcome to Kathmandu, the capital city of Nepal. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you my first impression as African foreigner in Nepal.
That side, guys, is one of the tallest tower in the city here. They call it Darara, guys. That tallest tower, they call it Darara. That one, they call it Ser Roti, guys. It's looking so unique. Oh, they also have puri. Wow. I wasn't aware that they also have puri here, guys, but I can see. It's my first time since I came to Kathmandu. I'm seeing now puri. But mostly here, I also came to know that in Nepal, they have their own popular local breakfast. Things like ser roti, and they also consume tea here as a breakfast. And there is one thing, guys, you have to know that people here love to eat momo. Hala Madrid, yeah, Kamavinga. Yes, everyone say that.